It's a lot. It's a lot noisy. Hello, guys. There he is. He's here. There. One of us needs to scoot. There, I scooted. Oh, he's close. Hello. Hello. We like it out here. Charlie of Forbidden Romance is now available on Amazon in both the paperback and the electronic edition. And Who Be Charlie Be, the first book in the series, is still available with a coupon for free at Smashwords.com. Look in the description for that information. I decided I was leaving him alone too much. Yeah, we got lonely. I'm sorry. But you're here now. What do you think? Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Yes, it is. You like it, Joe? Mm-hmm. Yep. This is the kind of evening that you just want to snuggle up and get somebody's arm around you. Is
that a hint?
Well, I wouldn't have said it otherwise. There, now your shoulder's not my back. Oh, what would we do without Sweet Joe? No, I don't want to find out. Ow! He's beating on me. One night I thought maybe, because they were really loud, I thought maybe we had some locusts, but I haven't seen any of their shells on the trees yet. Cicadas? Or locust shells? Oh, so we do have them this year. Yeah. Okay. Well, I thought one night that it was...
That got weird.
What?
Spasm.
Oh. Hey, foot, quit doing that. Oh. Help.
What you do?
I turned my head and it fell out.
You're not supposed to do that.
Thank you. My hands are a little kind of occupied. Sorry. I could have helped you, but I guess I was dozing. Maybe you were dozing. I'm sorry, guys. How you all doing? You know what? What? Carla gave you all kinds of hearts today. Really? Yeah. On the video we did last night, where you guys were so lonely because I hadn't been around. Oh, and we asked if they loved us? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Well, I told you they love you very much. Joe gave me a nose pinch. Joe gave me a nose pinch. Well, you know, I hadn't seen any, like, you know, I hadn't seen any of their little shells on, well, I don't see them from here on the tree. And stuff, so I just wasn't sure. Well, now I'm not feeling like I was going crazy. You guys hear that? See? I knew we had locusts. What's a locust? Some call them a cicada. What's that? Well, see, around here we call we happen to call cicadas, locusts, or whatever. Some places, grasshoppers are considered locusts. So. But I'll show a picture. Ding, ding, da ding, da ding, ding. Cicada. Ding, ding, ding. Cicada shell. Minister was here a while back, and we had chatted quite a long time. I'd had some stuff I wanted to talk to him about. And when he left, we had to turn the porch lights on. And we have these Christmas lights around the door that just flash, flash, flash. And and as soon as you turn on the light, they go flashing. And it kind of spooked him. He'd never noticed them before. And then he walks out and he's like, oh, well, I didn't notice those. So, he got a little taste of the holidays, whether he wanted them or not. Oh, he loves the holidays, I'm sure. But he just was not prepared for that. And I am making a bigger story out of it than it has to be because it's distracting things from what I'm really doing. Do you ever do that? What do you do when you want to distract attention away from what you are doing otherwise? What about you?
What?
That's his. He just ignores. That's his avoidance tactic.
What?
What? What?
Joe, you're silly.
Our anniversary is coming up later this month. And we need to make some plans. Except it's hard for us to make plans.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we can make them. It just may be that we have to adjust what we do. We're homebodies. We've been boring since we were in our 20s. We can be a lot of fun too, but people used to call us the oldest gym couple they'd ever met. We're just happy to be who we are. Aren't we? That's another thing. He just agrees. Monty agrees. What did Uncle Harry tell you about? The wife is always right or something? I don't know.
Yeah.
Just agree.
Yeah.
It makes life easier, something like that. He's like, Uncle Larry, I'm not that hard to get along with. But I talk a lot, so he ignores a lot. I am really giving him trouble tonight. Oh. I'm not giving you trouble, though. No, you're not. I'm enjoying this.
The winds are blowing that wind.
It isn't that big of a wind. Well, everybody, we're just going to enjoy our evening on the swing. Have a very good day.
Goodbye.
Or evening.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, he says. Night, night. Oh, Buster, you're making me yawn. Oh, sorry. Good night. Have a sleep tight. Sleep tight. That's the end of Rosie. Please do subscribe. Click that notification bell. Give us a like. That's called a thumbs up. Or at least that's what it looks like. And do come back and see us often.